We need electric parts from this PS3 to put in our drone ship. We're going to smash it apart with a pickaxe. Fail. Fail. We should rip it. Fail. Dad.
Right, now hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah. At last.
Did it go through? No.
Come on, pull it out.
Don't want to impale myself. I can't get it out. Hey, see? Took some effort.
Right, now break it properly. Like that, bash it.
You ready? Next, I'm going to hit it the other side. Let's do one more hit and then we should break the phone.
Let's have a look.
Oof. I'm gonna press. Boop, boop, boop. It won't work. What's this? Speaker. Oh, it's.
Pull.
I know, it's just. Should we hit it one more time?
No, that looks good for parts.
We've done a quick clean-up and now we're just going to see if we can rip it apart. Okay. Dad, I can't do it. Can you do it?
Fine, you film.
I'm recording. frustrating. Oh, finally.
There we go.
There. Oh, I can hear it crunching and... Do you know what, Dad? I think we should just unscrew it. Finally, we can get it apart. Side. There, I'm filming. Oh, God. We found this old telly runners. He said we could use it, but Dad says we can't smash it, which is boring. So Dad's going to unscrew it.
Ooh, Electrickery. Can use all that.
Dad's cut all the circuit boards, and now we're going to paint them grey to put them on the boat. We're going to glue the base to the top with this hot glue gun, and then we're going to paper mache it with yacht varnish to make it waterproof. We're going to draw on the base to make a deck. Magic, painted and cut. Now we're going to glue pieces onto the deck. That looks good. Now we're just going to paint all the bits here. Wow, that's better. We're going to go and let these dry, and we're going to carry on with the rest of the boat. Next we have to paint the hull red. Magic. Now we're just going to glue on the grey bit. We're just going to glue the deck on. Dad needs some help. For the finishing touch, we just got to add baler twine around it. Well, that's the drone ship finished. Not bad for 4 days work. If you liked our video, like and subscribe.